Hello guys, once again, my name is Shahid and today we are going to talk about Kakaotalk. But in Kakaotalk, we will talk about how to add a story in Kakaotalk. So if you already have the account on Kakaotalk, you already have the application. If you don't have it, download it, and there is a link in description where you can find out my previous video about how to create an account on and how to use Kakaotalk. So you will find the link in description as well. So first of all, if you have the application, you already have an account. So first you will click on your profile at the bottom left. You can see on your screen, you just click it and then just click it on your profile picture up there. When you come here, you will see at the bottom that there is my chat room, profile, and Kakao story. So you will just click on Kakao story. Once you click on Kakao story, a link will open, and here is you can see my profile and Kakao story. But here you can see it up there on the right, you will see app. So you will click on the app, and then they will lead you to your Play Store from where you can install this application. So you will just click on install. So it's already installed, so I will click on open. As you can see, the application is open and it asks some permission, so you will allow at the bottom, just allow it. Once you allow it, connect with, as you can see, connect with Kakaotalk or log in with Kakao account. So you can just connect it with your Kakao account. So as you can see, this was my number from my account, so I will just agree and start. Here you can see at the bottom, it's my profile here, and there is notification. So when you click on the plus sign here, you can see you can post something like a story. Here is, you can even change the privacy setting public, or you just want to share it with your friends and close friends, or just only me. So you can even change the privacy setting here. You can even like to share it with who, if you have a friend list already on Kakaotalk, so you can just tag people in it. You can just add location to it as well, that like if you're posting something about nature, so you can even add the location of that place as well. So this is how you will do. Here at the bottom you can see you can add pictures. You can add any picture, like I will select this one from your phone storage. So here down here you can see there are many different filters as well you can apply on that. You can even crop the picture if you want. There are some stickers which you can also add into it, and you can add some text as well. So this is how you can make your post here, and these are the things which you can edit your story or your post, and then just click on next, and whatever you want to say about it, you can write it down on the top and then just post it. So when you post your Kakao story, so it will appear here, and then people can like it and they can even comment on it. So this is how you can add your story. So I will just click one more time on the plus sign. Here you can see from the plus sign you can add your stories, and you can even go to search people who post about their stories. So if it's public, then you can find it here. So you can even watch the stories of other people as well, and your friends as well here. And this is the notification when your story will be liked or somebody comment on it, you will get your notification here. So guys, this is how you can actually add a story to your Kakaotalk. I guess this video is helpful for you. For more informative video, please stay tuned to the channel, and you can subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you, and see you again with next video.